Hi guys, good evening. We are here at what is this? I need Tom's coffee. Oh my god, I look so
Gulat ka na.
gulat ka no? That this is what you call in Filipino gandang di mo inakala. Oh.
Hindi,
And
ganda
I'm
na
with
siya.
the two piglets. The other piglet, the most piglet. Ah. I will show you guys how to eat like a rich person, okay? Because I just use bare hand, you know. So let's check this out. Okay, Jara. What did you eat?
This is like
Ryan sausage.
plain sausage.
Okay, how to eat it like a rich person. Ala. That's her food, guys. Actually, it's full plate of banana, veggies, bacon, egg. Earlier,
Ryan sausage.
Ryan sausage. So what's more delicious? The Tom and Tom's coffee sausage or Ryan?
Of course, Ryan's.
Oh my gosh! And I got my strawberry smoothie. And what did you got, Annie?
Peppermint coffee mocha.
Peppermint coffee. And the clubhouse. Whoa. Hi guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you're in the world right now. I hope you guys are having a great day. Pimple loves to stay here. So we are here at the family farm and I'm with Andy.
Always.
So we're waiting for our food, guys. What did we order again?
It's sinigang shrimp.
Shrimp, prawns, yeah. Prawns sinigang, yeah.
Corn, shrimp.
Porn.
Shrimp. And then
What was that? Chop suey.
chop suey.
The veggies.
Veggies and
What else?
pork.
Oh, pork
Sweet and sour.
teriyaki.
Oh, yeah, teriyaki.
Pork teriyaki and
That's it. Just
soda. And then, yeah. O pag i-mention ang kanon mga diet, ang buang feeling na nag-diet.
We did not order platter.
Did we order rice?
No. we're in on diet.
That I'm not gonna say anything, but I'll take a video, guys, of the food. They said 15 to 20 minutes, so yeah, stay tuned. Hi people, so
Si Ja, ganina
our
tayo
food is here, and
Stress niya.
this is the sinigang, the chop suey, look at the veggies,
Parang dagan yung stress mo, pero
and then the rice. That's all Andy's rice, right, Andy?
no, I did not order that. No, I did not order rice.
Hindi ako pa alam
Maybe it
dito
was
eh.
a wrong table.
Wrong table. That's not our rice because we're on a diet, yeah. Thank you.
Sa yung vlog ba, hindi daw ko na may mag-itog. Right, yan ay sa ka-platter, ulit ka mo daw ka.
Bisaya. And then this one, the teriyaki, pork teriyaki.
Para mas mag-guide na tayo. Anyway, baby.
So, I will take a picture of each food, and I will also let you know how much we paid and how much are the food that we ordered. So yeah. So guys, I just came home from the family farm with my workmates. So what we order there is the pork, or no, not the pork, the prawn sinigang. That's only 150 pesos, so $3, and that's good for 3 to 4 people. And then we also order the veggies, the chop suey. We call it chop suey. It's made of cabbage, um, cachote, um, what else? Like broccoli, cauliflower. So we ordered that, and that's only for 100 pesos. That's $2. Good still for 2 to 3 people. We also ordered the pork teriyaki, which is 150 pesos. Same thing, $3. Good for 2 to 3 people. And then the only expensive thing there is their soda. But a small soda, that's 20 pesos. So that's it. And yeah, very, very cheap. And I've never been to that place before, although it's very near to our house. But soon I'm gonna bring Ren there on the 30th, on my day off. So yeah, but guys, I hope you like this video. Leave a comment down below and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget, always stay full and be nice. I hope to see you guys on my next one. Bye.